Okay, so I compare the data between the Atlantic and Pacific hurricane season with the number of days that they start compared to Venus retrograde dates, which were over here, right? And this is just for 2012. So I looked at all the Atlantic storms, and I went back here. So I got 2 at 3, at +3, and then I have, where are you? Where's my other ones here? Of course I can't follow my notes because that's me. There, 2 at +3 there, and 2 at, there we go. Okay, so there's the Atlantic, and it's got 3 at +3, and then we have the Pacific with 2 at +3. So if you add 2 + 3 = 5. So that's how I got 5 at +3. So I did that for everything. So between the Atlantic and Pacific comparisons for number of days between them and Venus in retrograde, there's 2 at +2 days, there's 5 at +3 days, there's 2 at -3 days, there's 4 at -4 days, there's 2 at +4 days, there's 2 at +5 days, 2 at -5 days, 3 at -6 days, 3 at +7 days, 2 at -7 days, 2 at -8 days, 3 at +9 days, 3 at -10 days, 2 at +10 days, 2 at +12 days, 2 at -14 days, and 2 at +14 days. There's 2 at +15 days, and there's same days only for the Atlantic, where Venus and the hurricane begins on the exact same day as May 15th and August 7th. So those are trigger dates for that. I haven't looked at the 2013 data to see if that happens again. That'd be interesting to find out. The other thing is too, what I can do with the 2 at 2 days, which I'm thinking of doing, is taking the data from those that start 2 days apart from Venus to see whether or not the storms are the same. Do they have the same wind? Do they have the same M-bar? Is there any similarities? Because that'll be really interesting to see. And then we'll also look at the dates that they actually start on to see if there's a pattern, because most of the patterns that I found are within 28 to 30 days of each other for the geomagnetic storm cells, where they repeat a pattern. So this year I'm studying hurricane patterns and tornado patterns, and I blog it on my Idea Girl Severe Storm Predictions Warnings on the WordPress.com website. At the very top here it says Venus Earth Storms. If you click on there, I'll be compiling whatever static data I have. So basically this is the data that I'm working with. Not only am I looking at Venus in retrograde or when the tropical storms begin, I also look at Venus is in retrograde in the whatever star system it has a conjunction with. And in this case, on June the 4th, we'll go into another video for that.